Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I tackle wash day using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil line. And I am using this line for the first time, so I will do a review in this video. So first, I like to start out by rinsing my hair under the shower for at least a minute. This allows my hair to just come back to life and just absorb so much moisture. I found that doing this saves me a ton of time because I don't have to worry about detangling my hair and sectioning it off beforehand. I just jump right in the shower. And here I just wanted to do a texture shot just to show you my natural curl pattern. Yes, girl. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into 4. And this allows me to just stay organized while I'm shampooing my hair, and it also prevents me from tangling my hair even more than it already is. So starting with the back section, I'm going to go ahead and put it under the water one more time just to allow the shampoo to lather. So this is the Moisture and Shine shampoo from Cream of Nature. It's supposed to hydrate and detangle the hair. So yeah, I just accidentally used a lot because I did not know this shampoo would lather like that, but it's very sudsy, so you might want to use a little less. So I'm putting it directly on my scalp. I don't put it on the ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair and the driest part of the hair, so you don't want to put shampoo on your ends. I just like to just let the water rinse the shampoo down to my ends. So here is my Vanity Planet Rejuvenating Scalp Massager. I got it a couple years ago from their website. It's really good. It helps stimulate your scalp, stimulate the blood flow to your scalp, and ultimately growing your hair. At least that's what it's supposed to do. I just like the feel of it. And I just go in circular motions until I feel that my hair has had enough. So at least about a minute. After that, I rinse out the shampoo, I squeeze out the excess water, and then I clip my hair up into the side, and then I move on to the next section. I shampoo, and that's a lot. I work it on the scalp. Then I use my vibrating massager to stimulate. And then I rinse. And here you can see that there is a lot of suds from the shampoo. So I say that to say this. A little goes a long way with this shampoo, y'all. So be mindful. And now I'm going to twist this section up and I'm going to clip it aside. So now I'm going in with their intensifying conditioning treatment. I didn't do this step in the shower because on the bottle it does say to leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes and sit under a hooded dryer. So obviously I had to get out the shower to do this. It has a lot of slip. I really like this conditioner for that reason. I can just easily detangle my hair, finger detangle my hair. And one thing you guys will learn about me is that I don't really like to use combs anymore. I finger detangle all day. Okay, so once I've applied the conditioner to all 4 sections of my hair, now I'm going to go ahead and put on my shower cap. And I do like to use 2 because I just feel that it just holds more heat that way. And it also, I do have these really big hair clips in, and I had to use 2 shower caps anyway. So yeah. Oh, girl, how? So I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. And then after rinsing it out, this is what it looks like. It's really soft and it smells really good. Now I'm applying the strengthening hair mask. This mask is so good. I did not know that it would be this good, y'all. Like, it's thick, it's creamy, and it smells amazing. So I just applied it to all of my sections, and then I went ahead and put on my plastic cap, and I did sit under the dryer for 10 more minutes. And when I finished, y'all, look at this. So after the mask, I do apply the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. This conditioner does separate, so you have to shake it up before you use it. I did find that this was very loose and watery to me at first. I wasn't really a fan, but I did notice after working it through my hair and finger detangling my hair that it did help me manage my hair a little better. And it did help the finger detangling process, and it also left my hair nice and soft. So after that, I do go ahead and 2-strand twist my hair. I did about 6 twists per section. I do like to do my twist medium to large. That way I can just make the process a little faster. And as you can see, the struggle. But I got through it. Then I just repeat the same process. And I did forget to mention that on top of the leave-in conditioner, I do apply some coconut oil just to seal it in. I usually use my shea butter mix, but I didn't have any at this point, so I just worked with what I had. And then I'm just gonna dance a little bit and do a little jig because I'm almost done. Hey. And this is the last section. I clearly saved you guys some time and some headache because I did not record the whole thing. Thank God, right? Finally, girl. Finally. Done and done. And there you have it. My simple wash routine under 1 hour. Give this video a big thumbs up if it was helpful and you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.